Hey everybody, we're going to do a quick run through on Zone 1. Got a lot growing out here and adding to it every day. It's kind of in transition from the winter-spring season. So just take you through this on a walk. I've done a lot of planting in previous videos and now we've got some results. And a squirrel. Looks like the squirrel is planting something. Over here. Kept thinking about trying to do these in order. I believe what we have here, this is the Dr. Wykes. Has not sprouted yet. Berkeley tie-dye, same state, but over here, this is Alice's Dream, and that one just popped up this week. Maybe there's still hope for these, we'll see. These lettuce pots are going to need to be swapped out. I'm thinking about possibly doing some kind of maybe Kamatsuna or seeing how tatsoi works in the summer. This one, as I mentioned on Instagram, I've planted thyme here. We'll wait and see if that grows. I've got some oregano coming that I'm going to put in this pot here that had the cayenne in it. We've got sweet potato slips coming in. Only one so far is the Stokes, and that is a purple skin, purple flesh variety. Next to it is a Murasaki. Next to that is a white sweet potato. And next to that is an orange one. Might have those two switched, but so far the only one that is growing is the Stokes, so we'll see. Those came from a organic grocery store called Sprouts. I don't think they spray them with any kind of anti-sprouting or anything like that. Spinach has been very abundant. It's got a really nice leaf. This is, of course, Sun Angel. And I've noticed in here, we've got what looks like the start of a sprout. Oh, that might be going to seed soon. Florida mustard went straight to seed. So we'll get some more seed out of that and see if it's a little more acclimated. Just keep going with that. But I'm going to convert this to herbs for this season, spring and summer. Get it back into spinach in the fall. Egyptian walking onions are doing great as usual. This one's been very useful in the kitchen. Constantly picking at it. Probably going to trim these and dry them out as some green onion. Just so we have something and it'll give it room to expand a little more. And these are still our lettuces. As you can see there, kind of looks like the Salanova is getting ready to bolt. Getting a little bit of a neck on it. Not enough there to justify picking it for a salad, so I'm just going to let it do what it wants. Anyways, our other Egyptian walking onion, right there, doing real good. This one is catnip. Has not sprouted yet. Got our rosemary here. Doing just as well as it always does. Next to this, we've got spearmint. Hasn't really come up yet. And moving on, we've got the cilantro turning into coriander. I tried a little bit of this morning. It's not too bitter yet, so probably still be used in cooking. We do have some younger plants in the back of it that probably be better to use, and then we'll collect some seed and replant this. Moving on. Okay, so I just transplanted these. These might be in transplant shock. This is some of the roselle, but if you look as we get further down, we've got some really nice roselle coming in. These get to be probably about 8 foot tall. I believe they said to give it a 4 foot clearance. So yeah, it's gonna go next to the driveway. As far as the sage goes, this one flowered and then kind of wilted. It's not happy. I think I may have over harvested it. So we'll just let the other one grow. This here is our rue. Found out that can be used as a topical herb. So it helps with like nerve pain and stuff like that. Good for arthritis. Maybe we'll do that. Lemon balm, still doing wonderful. I think the moringa is shot, so we're gonna have to take that out. And over here we've got peppermint, which is barely coming up. There's a few little ones in there. I don't even know if the camera will pick it up. Also up here, don't ever plant Confederate jasmine. I didn't even plant this. I've been here 10 years. And we can't get rid of it. It smells pretty until it triggers my allergies. Moving on here, you can see the sugar has started to come up. Got a few little blades there. Those will turn into the next season of canes. And I do have ginger in here too. It has not come back yet. Please don't find it, dog. And that's it for Zone 1. thank you all for watching, and next time we'll do zone 3.